Hey, I'm Ryan, and I'm going to be going over some steps to do put packing into a backplate. I'll also be talking a little bit about what purpose the lantern ring serves, what purpose the grease cup serves, and kind of show you how we do it here. So you start out with your packing. It'll come in a kit, it'll come bulk, however you guys decide to order it. You're just going to stack it into the bore. You want to make sure that the cuts in the packing are opposite of each other all the way through the process. They're split like that so you can replace your packing without having to take the back plate off. So we put in our first two pieces of packing, and there's a hole right here that goes into the bore where your lantern ring is going to line up. So you put your lantern ring in. Of course, the smooth sides go towards the packing. Sides with the divots in them go together. You slide that in the bore, and then you finish filling your stuffing box with packing. So we took 3 more pieces of packing to fill up our stuffing box. We have a pretty nifty tool here. Slides into the packing to keep basically acts like a sleeve. And we have the spud on top. We just give it a few whacks. We move this spud around just so it loosens the packing back up, stretches it back out a little bit. That way when we put it on the pump, it's not too tight. It's not grabbing the sleeve before you guys get it, so you guys can get proper adjustment of your packing. So now we got that stage done, we'll go ahead and put our studs in. We just use basically a stud driver. And the next step we got is packing gland. We put the nuts on. That's all there is to it. We put a grease cup in this hole right here. Basically, the grease goes in through the lantern ring that we installed. Basically, it helps on startup, helps to seal the packing. Just keeps it lubricated in there so it doesn't burn up the packing or the sleeve on startup. It's come in 2 halves. You can get the grease from us. It's a Garlock packing grease. So on removal of packing, if you're in the field, you pull your nuts off, pull your gland off. There's a special tool that you can buy that goes in, screws in like a corkscrew, and it'll pull the packing out. It'll pull them out one by one. When you get to your lantern ring, they're also split. So you can bend them, move them around. So you can pull those out too to get to the bottom 2 pieces of packing. The technique that you're going to use if you replace the packing while it's in your pump, so you can tighten the packing, is you just lay it out on a flat surface. You just use a rubber hammer or a steel hammer, and you can pack it down that way. And that'll do the same thing that I did with this stuff. And once you get your packing replaced, go ahead and put your gland back in, and your nuts back on, and go ahead and do your normal packing.